In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job on Upwork. The first thing you need to do is create an Upwork freelancer account. Go to the official Upwork website, click sign up, and make sure you choose the freelancer option so your account is set up correctly from the beginning. Once that's done, complete your freelancer profile carefully. This is extremely important because your profile works like your online resume. Add a professional photo, a clear title, a strong overview, your skills, work history, education, experience level, and availability. Clients often decide very quickly whether to keep reading, so a complete and polished profile makes a big difference. Next, choose one or two services to focus on instead of trying to offer everything. For example, you might focus on virtual assistants, social media management, graphic design, video editing, data entry, bookkeeping, or content writing. Keeping your services focused helps clients understand exactly what you do. You'll also want to create a strong profile title. Don't make it too vague. Instead of writing something broad like freelancer, make it specific to the service you provide. A clear title helps you appear more relevant in searches and makes a stronger first impression. After that, write a client-focused overview. This means your profile should explain how you can help clients, what problems you solve, and why working with you would be useful. Keep the attention on the value you bring. Be sure to add relevant skills as well. Upwork allows you to include up to 15 skills, so prioritize the ones that best match the services you want to sell. Then build your portfolio by uploading your best samples. If you don't have Upwork experience yet, that's okay. You can still include work from personal projects, internships, freelance jobs outside the platform, or anything else that shows your ability. Next, set your hourly rate based on your skills and experience. Remember, this rate is a starting point and can change depending on the job. When your profile is ready, start searching for jobs that match your skills. Use keywords related to your service and apply filters to narrow down the best opportunities. Before applying, read the entire job post carefully so you understand the requirements, budget, deliverables, and any special instructions. When you submit a proposal, customize it. Click Apply. Now set your bid or rate, estimate your timeline, write your cover letter, answer any screening questions, and attach relevant samples. Avoid sending generic proposals. Show the client that you understand their specific problem and briefly explain how you would solve it. Use your connects strategically and apply only to jobs that closely fit your skills. If a client messages you, respond quickly and professionally and keep communication on Upwork. Be prepared for interviews by discussing your experience, portfolio, availability, rate, and approach to the project. If you're new, start with smaller projects to build reviews and work history. Then deliver excellent work, meet deadlines, and keep improving your profile over time so you can attract better opportunities.